everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add images or GIFs to your tweets on X. So let's get started. First, open the app X and tap on the plus button at the bottom right to start a new post. Next, to add it, now in the composer box you'll see several icons below the text field. To add an image or video, tap the gallery icon and select a photo or video you want from your device. You can even choose multiple images. And then to add GIF, tap on the GIF icon, browse or search for GIF you want, then tap to insert it. Let's say you want an applause one, and that's it. Your tweet will now include your chosen image, video or GIF. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like in this video, subscribe for more X guys, and let me know in the comments what features you want me to cover next. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.